Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and basic connectivity. Check both Airpods and case have at least 20% charge. Low power can cause green flashes. Next, examine the lightning port and case interior. Remove lint with a soft brush or a short burst of compressed air, because poor contact often triggers status light confusion. Once done, restart the paired phone or laptop and toggle Bluetooth off and on. This clears simple pairing glitches and prepares you for the next steps. You now perform a full reset to resolve firmware or logic hiccups. With both AirPods in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds to ensure proper sleep, then open the lid and press the setup button for about 15 seconds until you see amber followed by white. This wipes settings and forces a fresh handshake. After resetting, repair your device and verify firmware via Settings General about AirPods. Firmware mismatches can cause persistent light behavior, so update if available. You finish with diagnostic and service options when resets fail. First, swap chargers and cables. Some cables or low-current adapters produce unstable charging that shows odd green flashes. If that doesn't help, have battery health checked using Apple Diagnostics or reputable third-party tools. Degraded cells can trigger status lights. Finally, if the green flashing continues after these steps, contact Apple support or book a service appointment. Make sure to note the sequence of steps you took, because that speeds up repair evaluation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.